No way. Oh my god. This is so good. Wow. You really should try this. This is amazing. If you are looking for the most ultimate of the ultimate carnivore comfort meals, this might be it. It has cheese, it has meat, it has bacon, it has heavy cream. Kind of the perfect combination. Let's give this one a try. So, what you're going to need is 500 grams of ground meat. I'm using half pig, half beef, some bacon, half a cup of mozzarella, or for those of you who are just like me and speak in grams, that's 50 grams of mozzarella. And we also have 1 cup or 100-ish grams of cheddar cheese. We are also going to use 4 eggs and some heavy cream, around 100 milliliters, so half of this. I am going to cook everything in this tray right here. Normally, I almost double the ingredients when I cook the other type of a pie with more eggs, more meat. But since I'm trying this one out, we'll just do half. So I'm going to start by air frying around 7 slices of bacon. And we are going to use the bacon mode for, let's say, 11 minutes because bacon in Netherlands is very thin. While that's air frying, we're gonna get started on the meat. There really is just one way of cooking meat, and that's with using some saved up bacon, which is just the best thing ever. Perfect. Also, I wanted to say quickly that, of course, this time I'm putting the recipe also in the description because I'm kind of in a rush, but I really want to make this. I really want to show you this. And still, I would really appreciate if you just watch the whole video because that will help you to push it to more people and we can spread the word of how amazing the carnivore diet is. So if you hate carnivore diet, then just go to the description and skip this video. But maybe please don't. You might want to add some salt to the meat. It's really up to you. I personally think that I get enough salt from bacon, from the fat, from the cheese, from everything. But if you want some salt, now is the time to add it. Don't fly. While this is doing its thing and this is doing its thing, it's time for us to do our thing with the eggs and the rest of the ingredients. So let's do our thing right now. So good that I checked in because the bacon is basically almost too done. That's what you get for following the discounts, and then sometimes you get a thinner bacon than usually, sometimes you get thicker bacon, so I need to always variate with the, what's it called, time, cooking time. We are going to need 1 medium-sized bowl, but if you're like me and you have like 3 bowls in your house, just try to get the biggest one. I'm using 4 eggs for this, maybe 5. I don't know how big these are. What does it say? Small, medium. Yeah, let's do 5. But if you have large, then 4 will be perfect. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna crack them in and I'll see you then. I really don't want to waste your time, but you're gonna have to a little bit see me cracking these eggs, and it's perfect time for you to just go and like this video. So you have 1, oh, there's going wild. You have 2. By now you should have liked the video already, so now I'm just going to skip to after I've cracked the eggs. I had to little bit regroup my thoughts. Well, not really my thoughts. I mean, my because my kitchen is so small, so I had to kind of first I finished cooking the meat, and then I moved everything around so that we can work and I can actually show you what's happening. So 5 small eggs are inside. Now I'm going to add half of this heavy cream. I took the bacon out, let it rest a bit. We're gonna chop it up, and I don't know how I'm going to know if it's half, but I'll just. No, around half, right? A little bit more. Yeah, this is around half. Now we are going to perform the whiskaroo. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel or I am going to sneak into your house and steal all of your meat. Thank you. Okay, I think this is enough. Let's add in the mozzarella. I don't think the bowl is big enough for me to also add the cheddar, but I will risk it because that's what I do. I will just kind of mix it in. I can probably also just do it all in the tray, but that's not really my style, you know? Yeah, let's just wing this situation here. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is perfect. So we are going to just mix it more when we put everything together. All right, let's set this beast aside. Bacon chop chop time. If you are running this whole operation and you are dairy free, don't you worry, my friend. Because what you can also do is you can, instead of cheese, you can just do extra egg yolks for that richness. What you can also do is you can add maybe some beef tallow for that buttery feeling slash taste. Of course, if you want extra fat, fat is good for you anyways, so you can add, well, then you can add butter, but this is not for dairy-free people. You can add more bacon fat to the whole operation. And of course, well, you can also skip the bacon and just do everything with beef, right? If you are not eating bacon. Those are the substitutes. And now we can put it all together. Let's drop in all of this meat and all of the fatty, greasy stuff that comes along. Just like that. Oops, not on the floor, not on my legs, please. Thank you very much. Now we want to drop in this bacon, just like that. And well, I think you can already guess what are we going to add next, right? Of course, it is time for that. Oh, that's unfortunate. Go, get out. That's why I never use this, whatever that is. Just pour it all kind of over, something like this. And now we just mix it until it's very mixed, until you are happy. You know, for me, happiness comes very easily when I cook. It's usually when I just get tired, I'm happy. And I'm ready to eat. It's gonna be good anyways. So yeah, I could have easily used double the ingredients to fill my, what is this called? To fill this baking tray, yes. And again, I'm going to air fry it in the Typhoon Dome too. If you want it also, just link in the description. You can use code MEAT and get yourself a 10% discount. I really stand by this air fryer. I use it every single day, twice per day. Okay, I think I'm happy with this situation. No, not quite yet, because I see that the sides are a little bit falling out for once, but now I'm going to put it into the air fryer, obviously, and I'll meet you when it's done. We are going to run this operation for 175 degrees for like 20 to 25 minutes. I'll put 20 at now for now, and then we will just see once it's done. Basically, what you're aiming for is like a bubbly top and like a little bit browned. So if that's achieved, then it's gonna be done. See you in 20 minutes. Well, I could have used this time wisely and washed the dishes, but I didn't, so that's that. It has rested for well over 15 minutes, so I'm just going to cut a piece, put it on a plate, and then we will taste it. Okay, so basically I cannot find a fork. I guess they are all in the dishwasher. Well, so it's time to eat with hands, but that's fine. Okay, let's go. I'm so excited. No way. Oh my God, this is so good. Wow. You really should try this. This is amazing. Wow. Yeah, I have really nothing else to say. It's just wow. I cannot believe that I made this. It's that good. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like, comment, and I'll meet you here next time on Meet Carnivore. Ciao.